Good morning, dear students. Next chapter is the lesson 6, bones and muscles. Name of the chapter 6 is the bones and muscles. Look at these two pictures. Two pictures are given. One is the human body and second one is the human skeleton. Two pictures are given here. One is the human body and second one is the human skeleton. One is the human body, second one is the human skeleton. And one of them shows the human body and one of the human skeleton. If you press some parts of your body, you will feel certain hard structures. When you will press some parts of your body, then you will feel hard structure inside the body, and this is something, and also something soft structure is also there, and something different structure is also there. And the hard structure inside the body is present is the bones, and the soft parts around the bones is the flesh, and the flesh is formed of the muscles. The flesh is formed of the muscles, and thus our body is made up of bones and muscles. So we can say that our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles are covered with skin, and bones and muscles both are covered with skins. Bones and muscles are covered with skin. The skeleton, the skeleton. All the bones of our body, all the bones of our body are joined together. All the bones of our body are joined together to make a framework, and this framework of bones is called the skeleton, and this framework of bones is called the skeleton. The framework of bones is called the skeleton, and the skeleton gives shape. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Skeleton gives shape and support. It gives shape and support to our body. It gives shape and support to our body. And without the skeleton, we would not be able to stand or straight. We will not able to stand straight. And bones. Next is the bones. Bones provide support to our body. Bones provide support to our body and help form our shape. Bones are hard and stiff. Bones are hard and stiff. You know that it is hard and stiff, and they protect the soft inner body parts. A human body has 206 bones. We can say bones provide support to our body and help to form our shape. Bones are hard and stiff. In our body, 206 bones are there. In human body, 206 bones are there. A human body has about 206 bones. 206 bones. And bones are joined together at several places. Here also bones joined. So this place is called the joint. Bones are joined here, knee, and the place where two or more bones are joined is called the joint. The place where two or more bones are joined is called the joint. This place is called the joint because here this bones and this bones, the place where two bones are joined is called the joint. These joints are very useful to us. Joints allow us to bend our body at different places. We can bend this at different places, and we must move our joints very carefully. A careless movement may cause an injury. If any careless movement is there, then it will cause an injury. It may lead to a fracture or dislocation, and when this movement is there, then it will cause a fracture or dislocation. Muscles. What is the muscles? our bones are covered with muscles. Our bones are covered with muscles, and muscles help us to move our bones. What is the function of muscles? It helps us to move our bone. Help us to move our bones. Help us to move our bones. Help us to move our bones. The muscles, when stretched, become thin and long, and when they contract, they become short and thick. When you have to do like this, then you can see that here this part, when it contract, here it is thick, and they become thick and short, and we have more than 600 muscles in our body. 600 muscles in our body. 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there in human body? 600 muscles in our body. And bones and muscles work together. Bones and muscles work together so that our body moves. They help us sit, stand, walk, run, lie and work. What have we learned in this chapter? We have to learn in this chapter, human body is made up of bones and flesh, that is the muscles. And bones and muscles give shape to our body. And there are about 206 bones and 600 muscles in our body. Bones and muscles work together, and bones are different from one another. Bones are different from one another. More to know. Soft parts inside our body are called the organs. Soft parts inside our body is called the organ. And the brain, lungs, heart, stomach, liver, intestine and kidneys are important organs inside our body. And thigh bones in our body is the longest bone. Which one is the longest bone? Thigh bone is the longest bone. Thigh bone is the longest bone in the human body. Thigh bone is the longest bone in the human body. Thigh bone is the longest bone in human body. Bones are very strong, but they can break in a fall. Bones are very strong, but when you will fall from a distance, then it can break. Doctors use X-ray photos to see if a bone is broken. So this is all about the chapter 6, bones and muscles. In chapter 6, what is the function of skeleton? Skeleton gives shape and support. Skeleton gives shape and support. So we can say that what is the function of skeleton? Skeleton gives shape and support. Bones. Bones are hard and stiff. We can say that bones are hard and stiff, and 206 bones are present in the human body. How many bones are there in human body? 206 bones are present in the human body. And thigh bone is the longest bone in the human body. Thigh bone is the longest bone in human body. And what is the muscles? Muscles, it help us to move. And 600 muscles in the human body. 600 muscles in the human body, and it help us to move our bone. It helps us to move our bone. And again you can see that what have you learned in this chapter? Human body is made up of bones and flesh, that is the muscles. Bones and muscles give shape to the body, and there are about 206 bones and 600 muscles in our body. Bones and muscles work together, and bones are different from one another. And soft parts inside our body is called the organ. Soft parts inside our body is called the organs. And the brain, lungs, heart, stomach, liver, intestine and kidneys are important organs inside our body. And thigh bone in our body is the longest bone. Thigh bone inside our body is the longest bone. And bones are very strong, but they can break in a fall. And doctors use X-ray photos to see if bone is broken. And tomorrow I will give you exercise, and chapter 6 you will read. Chapter 6, bone and muscles, you will read. Here some questions are there. You can see that skeleton gives shape and support. Bones, it is hard and stiff, and 206 bones in our body. And the muscles, it helps to move, and 600 muscles in the human body. and thigh bone is the longest bone in the human body. So this chapter you will read.